Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that many students find challenging, writing a marketing essay. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this video is for you.
So, what exactly is a marketing essay? It's an academic paper that explores marketing concepts, theories, and practices. You might analyze case studies, discuss marketing strategies, or evaluate the effectiveness of a campaign. Choosing the right topic is crucial. Here are a few ideas. 1. The impact of social media on consumer behavior. 2. The role of branding in customer loyalty. 3. Ethical considerations in marketing. Once you have your topic, it's time to dive into research. Use credible sources like academic journals, marketing reports, and case studies. Take notes and organize your findings to make writing easier. A well-structured essay is essential for clarity. Here's a typical structure. Introduction: present your thesis and outline your main points. Body: each paragraph should focus on a specific aspect of your topic. Use evidence and examples to support. Here are some tips to enhance your writing. 1. Be clear and concise, avoid jargon unless necessary. 2. Use transitions to guide your reader through your arguments. 3. Always proofread. Spelling and grammar mistakes can detract from your cred. Let's quickly go over some common pitfalls. 1. Wandering off topic, stick to your thesis. 2. Not citing sources properly, always give credit. 3. Overloading with information, keep it relevant and focused. And there you have it. With these tips, you're ready to tackle your marketing essay with confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.